Simulation technology is widely used to monitor critical assets in offshore industries. But conventional software only lets you see the condition of parts of your asset in isolation. It's just not powerful enough for the real-time, condition-based monitoring of entire structures. This means your understanding of the asset's condition at that very moment will always be partially sighted. To get a clear and accurate picture, you need the world's most advanced engineering simulation technology. The Axelos Digital Guardian is a sensor-enabled, physics-based model that reflects the entire asset's condition in real time. It's 1,000 times faster than conventional software, allowing for the fully detailed analysis of assets of limitless scale to be performed in minutes. That means you can make decisions based on a true, real-time picture of the asset and gather data to make predictions about future condition. The cloud-based Digital Guardian can be accessed from anywhere and at any time, and gives you insights into things like stress thresholds and fatigue performance. The predictive power of this technology is already supporting operators to extend asset life by up to 25 years and significantly reduce operating expenditure. We're already working with some of the most ambitious companies in the energy sector, transforming asset integrity management for fixed and floating assets, as well as other critical elements such as pressure vessels and risers. But in an age where maintaining our critical infrastructure is one of the keys to a sustainable future, this technology will also play a part in lowering the cost of renewable energy for the next generation, prevent disasters from happening, and power innovation and exploration beyond our imagination.